Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. Today I'm doing a review on a nail product. Yes, you guys wanted to see more nail videos, so I'm bringing them to you. So today we're actually testing out gel polish. Yes, this is my first time ever trying gel polish before in my life. You know, I've heard about it at, being available at nail salons. I know it's a very popular thing. I've always wanted to try gel polish, but just never really bit the bullet. And luckily, Madam Glam sent over this kit right here, and it is a starter kit. It comes with a flyer and everything. I'll show you everything that is included in this kit. So let's go ahead and jump into the demo. I'm going to show you all the colors that I have. I'll be sure to link everything down below in the description box. They also were kind enough to give you guys a 30% off discount code. It's not an affiliate link, but if you guys wanted to go check it out to get 30% off anything on their website, definitely go check it out. I'll put it here on the screen. I believe it's like Smarter Beauty 30, something simple like that. And I'll put it below in the description box as well. Alright, so here is what the kit looks like. It comes in a box just like this. Shows you what's included. You have a pamphlet that shows you detailed instructions on how to apply the gel polish and how to remove it. And they also have a VIP program where you can get 50% off all of your polish. So on the inside of the kit, you get a cuticle stick, file, and nail foils to remove the polish. You have your LED lamp, which has 3 lights at the top, and it has a charger, so it's really easy to just plug it in no matter where you are. So I'm just going to set mine up, ready to go. Plug it in, super simple. And then these are the 3 colors I chose. So the first one is Nirvana, and each bottle has the directions and also the ingredients on the back. And the top is color coded, and it's actually really accurate to the color in the bottle. So this is just a light gray color, and here's the consistency as well. And again, that's called Nirvana. The next shade is called Ultraviolet. It's a beautiful soft violet purple color. And then the last one is called Lady Blah Blah, which is a more vibrant purple shade. And this one is so pretty. I cannot wait to put this on my nails. And I went ahead and swatched them all out so you get a good idea of what they look like, because I'm only going to use one shade today. So the light has an on and off switch, and it does have a 60-second timer, so it will shut off on its own. So here's just what it looks like when it's turned on. So I already prepped my nails. You want to remove any excess polish, clean them very well, and push back your cuticles. So I already did that off camera, so we're ready to go. A few things you may need. I'm going to use the wooden cuticle stick, a nail buffer, and some rubbing alcohol. So the first thing you want to do is to buff very lightly the surface of your nail. I'm doing this very, very gently. You want to remove any shine so that the gel has something to adhere to. This is very important if you want your gel polish to last about 2 to 3 weeks. And then I'm just going in with some rubbing alcohol on a piece of paper towel which has no lint on it, and just cleaning the surface of my nail. So this is another great way to prep the nails for the gel. The color I'll be using today is Nirvana because I love gray, so I went with this color. So I'm just scraping off the edge of the brush and applying a very thin coat. You also want to make sure you cap off the free edge right there, and then also remove any excess polish that is touching your skin before you cure it under the gel. That is very important as well. So I'm just going to turn on the lamp and it'll shut off on its own, and that is it. Super simple, and I'm pretty much just going to repeat this step a million times until I have all of my nails finished. And you can tell it's completely dry and it's not sticky either. So I'm just going in and doing the same exact thing. And the most important thing with gel is to do very thin layers. You want it to be sheer, and that way you can really build up the color and opacity. So it's not like regular polish where you just apply like 1 or 2 coats. You have to kind of build it up. Just going in once again, going really thin with the layers, and then capping out the free edge, and then curing it underneath the lamp. So here is 1 coat of the polish. It's definitely very sheer, but it's very shiny. So we're gonna go in with a second coat, and I did end up doing 3 layers of the gel polish. And again, you just want to make sure you cure each layer before you move on to the next coat. And honestly, I didn't have any
messiness. I was really expecting to make a mess with this product, but actually I rarely had to take the wooden stick and remove any gel polish from the skin around my nails. But again, you do want to do that before you cure it, because otherwise it might burn your skin if you don't do that before popping your nails underneath the light. So that is 3 coats of the gel polish. It's so shiny, really nice, really pretty color. Now I did the same thing to my other hand. You already saw me do the other side. And then lastly, I did save my thumbnails for last, which just made everything a lot easier actually, so I definitely recommend doing that. So again, I just did 3 coats on each nail, and that is pretty much it. I really love the results. It dried super quick, and I'm really happy. This color is so pretty. Again, this is called Nirvana. Beautiful gray color. And usually when I'm done with a manicure, I'm going to apply some oil just to add some hydration back into our skin, give it a good massage, and that is it. It's super easy to do gel nails at home, and this is the finished results.
Alright guys, so that was the demo. I hope you found that helpful. It was really tricky trying to film. I haven't filmed a nail video in a really long time, so I hope you could see what I was doing and hopefully it turned out okay. Fingers crossed. So it's been about 2 weeks now that I've been wearing the gel polish, and I have to say I'm really impressed. I have had a little bit of wear around the edges of my nail, but so far around the cuticle area where it starts growing out, I haven't noticed any peeling or any chipping. It's been staying really nice. So the things that I loved, so I really love the colors. The colors are absolutely beautiful. I cannot wait to try out Lady Blah Blah. That's such a weird name. Lady Blah Blah and Ultraviolet. Oh my gosh, you guys know how much I love my purple polish, so I'm really excited to try these out. I really like that this is a one-step product, so this is really all you need. It's a top coat and a base coat all in one, so you just go in with however many layers and coats you want to. Just make sure you cure each one and you're good to go. I mean, I really like that. Very convenient, very easy if you don't want to have to do the base coat and then the top coat. I also love the concept of just popping your nails underneath the LED light and it cures in 30 seconds versus when I paint my nails at home, it takes a really long time to dry, and especially if I'm doing nail art, it takes even longer. I also love that this kit has everything you need. It has a charger, it has your LED lamp, and also I love that it includes, you know, a wooden stick, a little nail file, and then these nail foils to remove the gel polish as well. So I love that that is included with the kit, so you get a little bit of everything. So things that I didn't like about this. I noticed that even though I did 3 even coats of this polish, it was still very thin. Like I can see through the color on my nails. I also noticed with the first layer of the polish, it was wanting to pull to the sides. Now I don't know if that's because my nails are pretty curved and they're definitely a little bit more on the longer side, but I feel like I could have went in a little bit heavier with the second layer, because again, it just went on a little too sheer for my liking. I was hoping that this would be a little bit more pigmented, and maybe next time when I try out like the purple shades, I'll go in a little bit thicker and see if that kind of fixes the situation. So another thing I wanted to mention is I'm not the biggest fan of this LED light, but it is convenient for traveling and is very small and compact. With this one, there's only 3 little lights at the top here, and I feel like because of that, you have to be careful of putting all 4 fingers underneath. I feel like you don't get a nice solid cure of the gel, so I definitely recommend going with 2 fingers or even 1 finger at a time. And I definitely recommend doing your thumbnails last. You sort of have to, because you can't put your entire hand in here, so that's a little bit of a downside with this little guy here. I think if you're getting serious about doing gel nails at home, definitely invest in a larger LED lamp where you can put your whole hand in and get done a lot faster. So I felt like it was a little bit more time consuming with this little guy here because I had to do like 1 or 2 nails at a time. So to sum it all up, I definitely really like this set, and I think there's pros and cons to gel polish just in general, but I have to say I'm really impressed. I definitely want to play around and practice more, because Definitely it was just my first time, so I think it does take some time getting used to this type of like formula. It's not like regular polish. You have to keep that in mind. I had to keep reminding myself that it's not regular polish, Jess. It's gel. It was honestly so much fun trying out gel polish, so thank you to Madam Glam for sending this over for me to try out. I definitely want to try more of their products. By the way, everything is cruelty-free and vegan, and also all of their polish is 5-free, so none of those really nasty chemicals, which is fantastic. So if you guys want to check out Madam Glam or check out one of the products that I mentioned today, I'll make sure to link everything below in the description box, so definitely check that out. That is everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. I post on every Tuesday, Friday, and sometimes on Sunday every single week. I hope you guys have a really great day. I will catch you all in the next video. And remember, smarter beauty is better beauty. Bye, guys.